And welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome. If you are new on this channel, I talk about all things health and well-being, and I bring you guys quick, simple, easy recipes. If you are returning, guys, I love and appreciate your support. Guys, in today's video we're going to be making polenta asparagus. Easy meal, quick and simple. You can use it as a starter when you're having a dinner for two, or if you're having a dinner party and you have a non-meat eater in your group, give them the polenta with the asparagus and it is going to go down extremely well. Polenta, as you guys can see on the packet, it is ready to eat and it's basically Italian cornmeal. That's from my understanding. It's really nice. It's filled with fiber and protein. If you guys know about fiber keeps you full for longer, so when you are on a weight loss journey, eating food high in fiber will make you not to be hungry. Trust me, guys, you have a regular bowel movement and you'll feel fuller for longer. So always aim to eat food high in fiber because it's really good for your gut health. And that's what I'm making. I've just sliced the polenta. It's very sensitive, as in it can break easily. So I've put it to the side and I've added salt and pepper to it. And right now, guys, what I have in front of me is British asparagus. They are currently in season at the moment. Again, the season for asparagus doesn't actually last this long. It runs from May to June, I believe. But here in the UK, we do get it all year round because we do import asparagus from other places around the world. So but the season for it is current, so you can find it at your local market and it's very easily ready. You get it everywhere. You get it all year round, but it's just the current season at the moment. Asparagus, if you don't know, it's not a hard veg. It's very easy to break. As you guys can see, I don't even need a knife for this, but all you want to do is cut the hard bit off, and you just want to keep it to the softer side. So that's what I was basically showing you. You just break it and then the hard bit you just keep to the side. I don't usually use that in my cooking. So asparagus is really good for it helps in your digestion, guys, and it helps improve fertility for us ladies. Ladies, if you're looking to improve your fertility, consume more asparagus. That's what the information is telling us. So this is just not from my experience, but it's based on proven science, or should I say proven research. So yes, guys, so all I'm making now is I've got my fresh herb. I'm just gonna use it on my chopper. Guys, I linked in the description below for this chopper. It's still going strong for me, and I've added garlic. So all I'm doing now is I'm just gonna fry everything in this one pan. I'm gonna warm up my polenta, I'm gonna warm up my asparagus, and I'm gonna warm up the herbs, and I'm just gonna lightly fry it. So guys, I'm using sesame seed oil, which again is another really good oil. It's extremely good for frying. It's got very good health benefits, so that's my preferred oil. This oil was recommended also it's on Dr. Sebi's food list. So again, the sesame oil is being used, and all I've done here, guys, is I've just added the sea salt and the black pepper. This does not cook for long, guys. The polenta, if you want to put it in the oven and you don't want to consume any type of oil, you can do, or if you just want to actually put it on the pan and just lightly warm it up. This is ready to eat, and all you need to do is to warm it up. So this meal really and truly takes you no more than 15 minutes. This is genuinely a 15-minute meal, and because it's high in fiber, you won't be hungry for a while. So all I'm doing now is I'm just frying the polenta slightly. I just want it to have like a crispy taste, but it does stick to the pan because again it is cornmeal, so it will stick, but nonetheless it's still quite firm. As you guys can see, it's ready. You just want to warm it up. So that's all I'm doing, guys. I'm gonna just remove everything now, and you do get the residues, but that's absolutely fine. This pan you can actually scrape all the residue. The good thing, when I did do the recipe and I scraped everything out, I actually like the crispy bit mixed with the fresh herbs. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to add my asparagus, and asparagus, do not overcook your asparagus. It cooks extremely quick, no more than 5 minutes, guys. Polenta about 2 minutes, asparagus 5 minutes, and then you plate up, you know. And that's all I've done. I've added a bit of sea salt, so that's it. Just put it on there. I've put everything in together, and I'm just cooking it for about 5 minutes, no more, and then I'm just gonna make sure that they're all coated in the oil. I haven't changed the oil, it's the same oil, and that's what you have. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and I actually didn't realize that my camera stopped filming, but this is the end result with cherry tomatoes on the top. I hope you guys have enjoyed the videos. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.